Success. What an impressive word. This is something which is equally desired by everyone across the world. Everyone want to be successful. And they should and they must. There is nothing wrong with it. There is nothing wrong in, having a desire to be successful because it forces one to think about something and it forces one to do something. In fact, I will go ahead and say that if there are people who don't desire to be successful, then it's a problem for the local economy as well as for the economy of the world, because whatever progress we are seeing today is coming only and only because people want to be successful, people want to move forward. So, this is a good enough activity to pursue. But the question is how to become successful? What should we do to become successful? And this is where the topic of this video comes from. And this is where I'm going to share some of my experiences, my stories, which is going to help you in your decision making. Now, most of us, what we do when we want to become successful, we select a benchmark, we select a role model. Okay. So if I want to do some business, I select some business personality as my role model. If I want to be successful in politics, I will select a political leader as a role model or a benchmark. And if I want to become a movie star, then I will select a movie star as a role model or a benchmark. We all need these benchmarks. These benchmarks help us to, channel our energy in single direction because we know this is where we want to reach. But this is where we need to understand one thing. Okay? If someone who has reached from here till here, and if the person is your benchmark or your role model, you need to understand that the person has carved a path and then he or she has reached to this position. We as an individual, we cannot use the same path to reach here. We know we can reach here, but we need to carve our own path. And that is why I say that success is neither a recipe nor a highway. It's not a recipe where you can, do some set of things which other people did to become successful. For example, if your role model is Mark Zuckerberg, you cannot go ahead and create some Facebook too to become Mark Zuckerberg. Okay? It doesn't happen in this way. It's not a recipe. So you cannot walk on or run on somebody else's carved path to reach there. You need to carve your own path. And that's why it's not even a highway where you can, just go ahead and reach to the success. Now, why I'm talking about this? I'm talking about this because in my lifetime, including me, I have seen people who come to a conclusion that, okay, that person is successful. Okay, what that person does. Oh, that person does these things. They are simple. I can also do and become successful. Think about it. When I started my YouTube channel, I saw some people who were creating videos on programming. I said, maybe I can teach better than them. So why not create videos on programming and I will be as good as them. They are having hundreds and thousands of or even millions of subscribers and they are earning huge money. I can also do that. We think something like this, right? All the time. That person became successful just by doing this. Oh, that's so easy. I can go ahead and do this and I will also become successful. We do that all the time. The people we know also do that all the time. Now, the problem here is that it's good to, aim high. But if you want to, run on someone else's carved path, you may not go further. If you try to do what someone else did, it may not take you to that position. Because if a person is successful, if a person is carving path for himself or herself, they are doing based on their own talent, their own circumstances, their own maybe even luck factor, their own support system, right? And their own dedication. If we want to do something, we need to, find what is our talent, okay? What is our inner strength? What is our support system? And then we must try to carve our own path. Like I am creating YouTube videos now, but I have changed the way I used to create videos because now I came to a point where I am not copying anyone. I am just trying to tell what I think I am good at. I think I can, make an impact while telling these things, including in my programming channel and in this channel. I am not at all copying anyone. I am not at all trying to follow anyone else's path. I'm just trying to do things what I am good at, what I think I can do it in the better way. Of course, the destination will be the role model. If my role model in terms of YouTube has at least 100,000 subscribers, I should go there. But I will not go there by copying my role model videos and creating my own videos on the same thing. No, I am trying to do what I am good at. And how will I know what I am good at? Based on the results I am getting. Okay, and this is what I learned over a period of time. And since the moment I have learned this, I have realized that everybody who is successful because of their hard work, dedication, and support system. Of course, luck plays a role, but if you are not doing anything, how come luck help you succeed? So nowadays, when I see someone saying that okay, that person becomes successful by doing very small thing, very easy thing, so if that person is my friend or my family member, I will take that person with me and I'll give that person 1 or 2 hour lecture. But if somebody unknown to me, I just ignore it because I do not want to listen to it. I don't like it. We cannot belittle someone's hard work, and at the same time, we cannot run into the path carved by someone else. Okay? So, this is what I wanted to share with all of you. I hope and believe that I made some sense in this video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again. Until the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care. Namaste.